Hello everyone. In this video I will be discussing with you the fourth and the second last two-dimensional transformation technique, that is skewing. So skewing means, or rather skewing refers to that transformation technique where changes are made to one coordinate keeping the other one constant. That is, if changes are made to the x coordinate, then the y coordinate is made constant, or it is set constant. Okay, similarly, if changes are made to the y coordinate, then the x coordinate is kept fixed or constant. So usually there are two types of skewing: the x skew and the y skew. Okay, now for x skew, the y coordinate is made constant, and for the y skew, the x coordinate is made constant. Okay, now for x skew, the x coordinate is changed as x plus sk x into y, and for y skew, the y coordinate is changed as y plus sk y into x. Now here sk x and sk y, these are the skewing parameters. Okay, now sk x is the x skew parameter and y skew parameter is sky. Okay, so I will show you two numericals based on x skew and y skew. Okay, so let's do the numericals. We have a square whose coordinates are 0, 0. Okay, let's draw the square. Okay, so we have a square. So the square's coordinates are 0, 0. Then we have 0, 3, 3, 0 and 3, 3. So this is our square. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is our square. So 0, 0, 3, 0, 3, 3 and 0, 3. Now what we need to do? We have been given, now first I will be showing you the x skew. Okay, that is skewing along the x axis. So first of all, I have been given the skx value, that is 2 units. So I have to skew the square along the x axis. So for 0, 0, we have x dash equals to x, that is 0, plus 2 into 0, that is 0, and y dash is constant, that is 0. So we are getting 0, 0. For 0, 3, we have x dash as, for 0, 3 we have x dash as 0 plus 2 into 3, that is 6, and y dash as 3. So we are getting 6, 3. For 3, 0, we have x dash equals to 3 plus 2 into 0, that is 3, and y dash as 0. So we are getting 3, 0. And finally for 3, 3, we have x dash as 3 plus 2 into 3, that is 9, and y dash as 3. So we are getting 9, 3. Okay, so let's plot these points. So for x we have maximum of 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And for y we have maximum 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So let's plot. First one is at 0, 0. Then we have 6, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 3, that means it will be here. Then we have 3, 0. So 3, 0 means here. And finally we have 9, 3. So that means here. So let's join it. Okay. So this is our object or the figure after x skewing. Okay. So as you can see, we have skewed it along the x-axis. The change has occurred along the x-axis. And now I will be showing you the y skew, that is change along the y coordinate or the y-axis. So I will let the original figure remain the same. I will just change these. Okay. So this will be SKY. Okay. And the skewing unit or the skewing parameter will have the same value, that is 2 units. So for 0, 0, we will have x dash as 0 and y dash as 0 plus 2 into 0, that is 0. So 0, 0. Then we have 0, 3. So for 0, 3, we will be having x dash as 0 and y dash as 3 plus 2 into 0, that is 3. So 0, 3. For 3, 0, x dash is 3, y dash is 0 plus, for 0, 3 this will be okay, this is okay. So 0 plus, so 3 plus 2 into 0. Okay. Now this will be 0 plus 2 into 3, that will be 6. So this will be 3, 6. And this will be 3. And y dash will be 3 plus 2 into 0, that is 3. 2 into 3, 2 into 3. This will be 9. So 3, 9. Okay. So 0, 0, 0, 3. 3, 6 and 3, 9. So let's plot this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So first one is 0, 0. So here. Then we have 0, 3. That is 1, 2, 3 here. Then we have 3, 6. That is here. And finally we have 3, 9. So 3, 9 will be somewhere around 3, 9. Okay, so this is 3, 6. 3, 6 will be here. And 3, 9 will be here. So we will join the points, and this is our figure. Okay, so this is the y skewing. So in this way we can perform this skewing technique, and in my next video, that will be the last video on 2D transformation, in that video I will be dealing with reflection. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys. Stay tuned to my channel for my next videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Do support my channel by liking the videos and sharing them. Thank you.